In this video, we take a 75-year-old kitchen and transform it from this to this. And we did it all for under $10,000.
This video is also sponsored by Concrete Countertop Solutions, but more on that later.
What's up, Flip Fam? Welcome back to the channel.
Today we're gonna dive into our latest kitchen remodel. We're gonna go over what we did, why we did it, and how much it cost.
But before we do that, let's rewind and start from the beginning. Okay, you're gonna experience what we did when we saw the kitchen for the very first time. Take it in, folks. Take it in.
This house is over 75 years old and the kitchen has likely never been updated. The first thing we had to do was demo. This part is free as long as you don't mind getting your hands dirty.
Anybody need some mason jars? You want to can some goodies? Have you been making green beans over the Thanksgiving holiday that you wanted to save and celebrate it at a later date? You can use these free canning jars. See, so when you buy old shitty homes, there's perks. These is a perk.
We were hoping there was hardwood floor underneath this vinyl. That would save us from having to install tile. But if it was there, that meant we had to find it first.
After demo, it wasn't looking promising. We did find the hardwood, but we weren't sure if we could save them. So we had to sand them multiple times. Surprisingly, they turned out great, and then we just had to stain and seal them. This process cost around $400 for the kitchen since we got all the floors in the house refinished.
Next, we painted all the trim white, and then we repaired all the plaster we damaged during demo so we could install the cabinets. Let's talk about cabinets. You know how I said the budget for this build was $10,000? We spent 70% of that on cabinets alone. But don't worry, coming up we've got some ways to help you save some money.
$7,000 is really not that expensive for a whole new set of cabinets. We didn't go with the cheapest or the most expensive option. We didn't want to skimp on the kitchen. It's a major selling point in a house. And these custom American-made cabinets really add a lot of value.
Now, one area where we were able to save some money is we just bought all the hardware in bulk. We didn't get the most expensive hardware, and that was actually pretty cheap compared to what you might get from a big box store like Home Depot.
Now let's talk about our countertops. This is where we saved the most money in this remodel. We saved thousands of dollars by not using marble or granite and instead pouring our own concrete countertops.
Which brings us to today's sponsor, Concrete Countertop Solution. We've used their product a ton in the past and we love it, and it's exactly how we built the countertops in this kitchen. We have a whole video about the process if you want to make your very own concrete countertops using this system. We've used it a ton in the past and we love it because instead of having to build heavy concrete countertops and then transfer them to the cabinets, you can literally pour them in place. And that's amazing for DIYers or small crews like Kayla and myself. One of the other great things about this system is the versatility. It has a ton of edge profiles you can choose from, so you can get something industrial and modern like we did with this classic square profile, or you can go for something a bit more fancy, rounded, Roman OG, double fancy, whatever. There's a ton of options. You can even change the color of your countertops with dyes, pigments, stains, and you can make them resemble marble or granite or whatever. You're literally only limited by your imagination. We absolutely love this system. We love concrete countertops and we plan on doing it in every house we flip. It's just, it looks amazing, everybody compliments on it, and it's way cheaper than marble or granite. And we love Concrete Countertop Solutions because they've got the easiest way to pour a concrete countertops and they've got everything you need to get started on their website.
Head on over to their website and use the code FLIP10. For a limited time, you can receive 10% off of your next purchase. And for the backsplash, we went with Subway tile because it's the cheapest option and it's a very classic look.
We wanted a clean, commercial-looking faucet to match the concrete countertops, so we grabbed this and we were able to pick it up from one of the big box stores along with the sink for about $350.
Next is appliances. We bought ours in a set, and you're almost always guaranteed a discount this way, or if you wait until near a holiday.
Yeah, then patriotic holidays like 4th of July, Labor Day, President's Day.
Did we say that one already?
Pretty much anytime rednecks are blowing shit up in the backyard, you gonna get a discount on a Samsung refrigerator set.
That's true.
Moving on. You can really go overboard on light fixtures really quickly. So instead of spending a lot of money, we just grabbed these once again from a big box store. We thought they matched the whole theme nicely, and we were able to pick up the set for about $200.
Let's recap. We took this dumpster fire of a kitchen and turned it into something that we are proud of. It's clean, bright, and inviting, and also a touch modern. And we stayed under budget. Here's the breakdown.
All right, so you can see where we splurged and where we were able to save some money by doing things ourselves. Pay attention to those appliances. They were $1,900, but they accidentally delivered a demo unit of the fridge, so they knocked off $500, which was good news for us because it kept us under budget for a grand total of $9,857 to completely renovate this kitchen.
All right, that was a 75-year-old kitchen remodel. Make sure you comment down below, tell us what you liked and what you didn't like. We'd love to hear from you.
All right, guys, that's it for us. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and other than that, we'll catch you on the flip side. Bye.